when we speak about the humbleness of the Prophet ﷺ, how he did day-to-day things by himself, a hadith from Aisha, she was asked, what would the Prophet do when he was like in the house? He wasn't busy teaching, preaching. She said, يُخِيطُ ثَوْبَهُ. What's يُخِيطُ ثَوْبَهُ? He would sew his clothes. Yes, the Prophet with his own blessed hands, he would sew his clothes. وَيَخْصِفُ نَعْلَهُ. He would repair his sandals when they would break. He would fix his shoes with his own hands. And she said that the best action for him in the house was to sew clothes and to fix his clothes and to patch his clothes. This demonstrates to you how humble the Prophet is. And this is a lesson for us, my dear brothers and sisters. There is one beautiful aspect of Western culture, of American culture. You know, some people tell us, you Muslims, anything that's Western, you're against it, and you have this extremism, radicalism. No, sometimes we say the truth. There is one beautiful aspect of Western culture, the concept of being your own handyman. You know that's mustahab in Islam. It makes you humble. The Prophet was the handyman. Something breaks, you fix it. Your own shoes break, you fix it. Imam Ali also had this quality of repairing his own shoes. And in fact, once the Prophet was asked, who will be saved on the Day of Judgment? He pointed to Imam Ali while Imam Ali was patching his shoes. And he said, khasif al-na'al, the one who's fixing his shoes, he and his followers will be the saved ones on the Day of Judgment. This really makes you humble. In some societies, some Middle Eastern societies or Eastern societies, la aib. If you're a person who's respected, you've got a political status, you've got a social status, you don't do this handyman things. It's not appropriate. Why? Why this arrogance? You can fix something in the house, fix it, so what? Yeah, if there's something that requires someone with experience, bring them. But you can do the many things at home. The Prophet would do that in his own house to make you more down to earth. And this really helps with arrogance. So the Prophet was very humble in his lifestyle. He would sometimes fix the simplest things in his life, his clothes,